Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, the liver, an essential organ in the body that is often overlooked until problems arise. Many of us are at risk of experiencing what we call the slow death of the liver. The liver may no longer function properly, its cells become fatty and inflamed, and gradually, scar tissue begins to form, destroying these vital cells. But what is the cause? You may be surprised or even frustrated to learn that the causes of liver damage often stem from habits and diets that you think are harmless. We will share with you 7 early signs of liver damage, symptoms that many people may not associate with the liver, but are crucial to recognize and address in time. One of the biggest problems with the liver is that by the time you realize you have liver damage, it may already be too late. The early signs of liver damage are often subtle, with no specific symptoms until more than 90% of liver function is destroyed. In fact, this is not only an issue for older people, but can also occur in younger individuals. The first sign is feeling bloated or pressure under the right rib cage. You might think you're just experiencing indigestion or a minor issue. But if this sensation spreads to your right shoulder, down your arm, or to your back near the shoulder blade, it could be an early sign of liver problems. This happens when your liver becomes swollen and puts pressure on the small bile ducts leading to the gallbladder. When the liver is damaged, liver cells can become inflamed and swollen. This swelling causes the liver to enlarge and press against surrounding tissues, causing a feeling of tightness or discomfort. This is especially common if the liver starts to enlarge due to fat accumulation, leading to a condition known as fatty liver. This symptom often accompanies feelings of heaviness, indigestion, or bloating after meals, especially after consuming fatty foods. Fatty liver disease can occur even in people who do not consume alcohol. This is one of the signs of NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, where the liver accumulates too much fat due to a diet high in sugar and saturated fat. The next sign to watch for is a loss of energy. You may not feel completely exhausted, but at times, you'll notice that you can't sustain your stamina as before. When exercising, you may quickly feel fatigued. You might even need to go to bed earlier due to a lack of endurance. This fatigue could be a sign that the liver is unable to efficiently metabolize energy. The liver plays a key role in converting nutrients from food into energy, and when it is damaged, this process is disrupted, making you feel drained even when you're well rested. As the liver's ability to supply energy to the body diminishes, daily activities become more difficult. Part of the reason for this fatigue is that the liver can no longer effectively remove toxins from the body. When toxins build up in the blood, it not only causes physical exhaustion but also mental fatigue. This explains why people with liver problems often feel lethargic, weak, and may have difficulty performing simple activities like standing up from a chair or walking a short distance. Before we move on to the next sign, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on tips to improve your health. The third sign is itching, particularly on the soles of the feet or hands. This may not just be a skin issue but could result from bile salts seeping into the body tissues, causing the skin to itch. This occurs when your liver fails to process bile effectively, leading to bile seeping into tissues and causing itching. The itching often worsens at night when you're less active and your circulation slows. Liver-related itching is one of the most uncomfortable symptoms and typically occurs as liver conditions worsen. This symptom is often related to cholestasis, when the flow of bile from the liver to the small intestine is obstructed. As a result, bile accumulates in the blood and begins to seep into tissues, causing intense itching, especially in areas like the hands, feet, and sometimes the entire body. Itching due to liver disease is different from other types of itching caused by allergies or skin irritation. There's often no visible damage to the skin, but the itching can be so intense that the person may scratch until the skin is injured. If you experience persistent itching without any clear signs of allergies, it could be a sign that your liver is in trouble. The next sign to pay attention to is the appearance of small red spots or spider veins on the skin. This is due to high estrogen levels in the body. When the liver is damaged, it cannot process estrogen effectively, leading to an accumulation of this hormone in the body. This can cause endocrine issues, especially in men and older women. These small red spots are known as spider angiomas. They usually appear on the chest, neck, or arms and are a clear indication of impaired liver function, especially common in people with cirrhosis. The liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing and eliminating hormones from the body. When liver function declines, estrogen can accumulate, leading to issues such as breast tissue growth in men, menstrual irregularities in women, and overall hormonal imbalance. This also weakens blood vessels, making them more prone to rupture, resulting in the appearance of red spots and spider veins. Not only that, the liver directly affects your thyroid. The thyroid depends on the liver to convert thyroid hormones into their active form. When the liver is compromised, this conversion is affected, leading to poor thyroid function. You may notice fatigue, hair loss, high cholesterol, and dry skin, all clear signs of poor thyroid function due to liver damage. Thyroid hormones must go through the liver's conversion process from T4, inactive hormone, to T3, active hormone. When the liver struggles with this process, the level of active thyroid hormone in the body decreases, causing symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and even depression. This makes the liver an essential part of the endocrine system, affecting not only energy levels but also the body's metabolism. Poor thyroid function can also raise bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. If you experience dry, cold skin or excessive hair loss along with prolonged fatigue, this could be a sign that your thyroid is being affected by liver damage. The next sign to look out for is vitamin D deficiency. The liver plays a key role in converting vitamin D into its active form that the body can use. When the liver is damaged, your body can't effectively utilize vitamin D, leading to deficiency. This can cause joint and muscle issues, including inflammation, lower back pain, muscle spasms, and other symptoms related to vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is vital for regulating calcium and phosphate in the body, two essential minerals for the growth and maintenance of strong bones. When the liver can't metabolize vitamin D, your body becomes deficient in calcium, causing symptoms like muscle pain, cramps, and osteoporosis. A lack of vitamin D can also weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. For people with chronic liver disease, vitamin D deficiency can worsen symptoms like back pain, muscle pain, and chronic inflammation. If you frequently experience joint pain or unusual muscle spasms, this could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency due to liver damage. The final sign is a change in the color and odor of your urine. If you notice that your urine is darker than usual or has a strange smell, it could be a sign that your liver is not effectively removing toxins. This is a strong warning sign that your liver needs to be checked immediately. Dark urine could be a sign of excess bilirubin in the blood, a substance that the liver typically processes and removes. When the liver is damaged, bilirubin builds up in the body and is excreted in the urine, causing it to darken. This is one of the most recognizable signs of liver issues. Bilirubin is a byproduct of the breakdown of old red blood cells in the body. The liver typically metabolizes bilirubin into a harmless form and removes it through bile, but when the liver is not functioning properly, bilirubin accumulates, causing jaundice and dark so. What is the root cause of liver problems? You may have heard that factors like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome are linked to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. However, what we need to understand better is the underlying cause of these factors. The modern diet is full of excess sugar, refined carbohydrates, and processed vegetable oils. These are the three biggest threats to your liver. These foods not only cause obesity but also increase fat in the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Even if you don't drink alcohol, you are at high risk of liver disease if your diet is unhealthy. We recently interviewed a young basketball player famous on TikTok and Instagram. He's only 22, but he already has high cholesterol due to an unhealthy diet high in fast food. When he visited his doctor, instead of being advised to change his diet, he was prescribed statins to lower his cholesterol. This highlights the fact that many young people believe they can eat anything without consequences because they are not overweight. But the truth is, unhealthy food not only affects the liver but also impacts energy levels, cognitive ability, and even hormones. At the age of 22, he already has high cholesterol and a range of other health issues that should not be occurring at this age. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and starch has caused these problems, even though, on the outside, he looks healthy. These issues are not just personal failures but are also the result of the influence of large food and pharmaceutical corporations on how we eat and take care of our health. Unhealthy diets have become normalized, and drugs are seen as a quick fix instead of lifestyle and dietary changes to address the root cause. We see far too many people relying on medication rather than changing their lifestyle to improve health naturally. At Healthy Care Over 50, we always advocate for a healthy diet like keto, reducing sugar, refined carbs, and vegetable oils in the diet. The keto diet has proven effective in weight loss and improving liver health. While there is some controversy around this diet, it is undeniable that it is an optimal choice for those looking to protect their liver health. Fresh, natural, unprocessed foods are what our bodies need to maintain good health and ensure that vital organs like the liver function efficiently. We believe that after this video, you now have a deeper understanding of the early warning signs of liver damage, as well as potential causes you may have never thought of. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body, and recognizing abnormal signs early will give you the opportunity to protect your liver and prevent dangerous diseases. But recognizing the signs is just the first step. To truly help the liver function better, a healthy diet and lifestyle play an essential role. Taking care of the liver not only improves your current health but is also the key to maintaining long-term well-being. By focusing on what you eat and how you live, you can protect your liver from potential damage and ensure your body stays in optimal condition. If you find the information in this video helpful and want to continue your journey toward comprehensive health improvement, please subscribe to the Healthy Care Over 50 channel to not miss any important videos. This way, you'll always be updated with the latest nutrition, lifestyle, and healthcare tips. Join us on the journey to living healthily every day, starting today by protecting your liver and overall health.